Hello, guys. Welcome back. This is Forex Alpha. Earlier this week, let's check. Earlier this week, I posted an update on gold that we're expecting a buy, and you can see how the market played out. You can see how the market played out. From that point, the video is. You can go check the video out. You can see how it played out. Now, in continuation of what happened today, fast forward to yesterday. Yeah. Yesterday, I published another article. I wanted to sell gold at this point, but it finally took me out, but played out today. I can see how important these zones play in the market. So let me take you back to the analysis. Now, last week Wednesday, last week Wednesday, I made analysis on gold, the overall direction where gold is headed to in few weeks time, which I explained to you guys last week. As you can see, we have already got the buy here, which gave us a sell here on Thursday and Wednesday. Now this is for the new week. This is for the new week. You can see it playing out, and it's still respecting those zones. Now look at the final level we're expecting gold to get to buy, which is here. Although we can still get a rally up, but it will definitely drop back. Why am I saying that? Now if you come to this where is the other frame? Let's come to this frame now. If you go back to the 4 hours, now here we can see clearly that gold has done what we expected it to come down. But since our buy zone is around this region on the long run, so I say that if gold should break 1708, 1710, it definitely get to this place and it will do what? It will drop down again. Pay attention. I said if gold breaks this level, by any means it breaks it and gets to here, it will definitely come back here. So at this zone is where we are expecting our major buying move if gold definitely go up. That is from this zone, which can be clearly seen in the previous analysis. See it here. You can see they are both following the same order. If gold breaks above this level, it will definitely come back here and it will sell back again. Now you can see how our zones, the high probability selling zone and the high probability buying zones, are just playing with the market. So this is just the update I have on gold. So wishing you guys a successful trading week. Stay tuned to this channel because I'll be dropping update analysis on gold, AUD, USD, indices, and some other pairs. Thanks for watching.